Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Who has not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe and share the videos with your friends as much as possible and watch all the videos related to this chapter. In today's session, we are going to learn about excretion in human beings. Okay, excretion is a process by which the waste products produced during metabolic activities is removed from the body. Okay, what is metabolic activities? Metabolic activities are nothing but the sum of all chemical reactions occurring in our body are known as metabolic activities. Okay, by that time, what happens? The waste products are produced inside the body when the metabolic activities takes place. Okay, in unicellular organisms means the single cell organisms, the waste products are removed from the cells into surrounding by the diffusion. Why? Because in unicellular organisms there is no any particular organ to remove the waste products. Okay, that's why they will what they will do, they will remove the waste products through the surroundings. Okay, in multicellular organisms the waste products are removed through the specialized organs. Okay, in multicellular organisms, we human beings or any other animals, they're having the particular organs for what purpose? To remove the waste products from their body. That is nothing but that is a specialized organs. Okay, now let us learn excretion in human beings. Excretion in human beings consists of a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. Each kidney has a number of excretory units called nephrons. Okay, I hope you all have learned about the human excretory system in your lower classes. Okay, excretory system consists of what? It consists of a pair of kidneys. Okay, right side and left side. Okay, the pair of ureters where the nitrogenous waste will flow, and also urinary bladder where the collection of the nitrogenous waste takes place, and last one is urethra where the nitrogenous waste is passed out from the body. Okay, each kidney has a number of excretory units called nephrons. Okay, the each kidney which are present at the left and right side, the both consisting of what? The number of excretory units called as what? Nephrons. Okay, now let us learn the structure of the nephron, how it works inside the kidney and what all things takes place inside. Okay, now let us learn the structure of the nephron. What are the parts present inside the nephron? Nephron consists of a Bowman capsule, glomerulus, and a bunch of renal veins and loop of the capillary, like a coil-like structures called as capillary networks, and also of collecting duct where the nitrogenous waste is get collected inside the this collecting duct. Okay, now let us learn how it works. Nephron. Each nephron has a cup-like structure called Bowman's capsule. Okay, as I shown in the picture, it consisting of what? Cup-like structure called as Bowman's capsule, containing a bundle of capillaries called as glomerulus. Okay, the Bowman's capsule leads into a tubular structure which joins into a collecting duct. Okay, I showed you that the coil-like structure called as capillary tubes. Okay, they are joins to a collecting duct where the nitrogenous waste is collected inside that duct. The renal artery brings the nitrogenous waste like ammonia, urea, uric acid along with the excess of water, salt and etc. Okay, nitrogenous waste is nothing but what? It is a combination of these materials like ammonia, urea, uric acid along with the excess of water and salt. Okay, into the nephron, what it will do? It will passes from the renal artery, okay, to the nephron. It filters the nitrogenous waste, water and salts which passes through the tubular structure into the collecting duct. Okay, from where it will pass, it is passed from the renal artery, that will brings the nitrogenous waste into the nephron. Then what it will do? It will filters the nitrogenous waste, water and salts, and then further it has to be passed through the tubular structure called as collecting duct. There in collecting duct, what happens? The collection of this nitrogenous waste takes place. The waste then passes through the ureters into the urinary bladder. Okay, further after the filtration, the waste nitrogenous waste has to be passed through the ureters into the urinary bladder, and then it sent out through the urethra as a urine. Okay, this what takes place inside the nephron. Okay, then the useful products like ammonia, acids, glucose, salts, etc. are reabsorbed by the capillaries around the tubular structure and goes into the renal vein. Okay, I hope you understood the working of the nephron inside the kidney. Now let us learn the excretion in plants. Okay, in plants, the gases, waste products produced during the respiration and photosynthesis are removed through the stomata. Excess water is removed through the stomata. This process is called as transpiration. Okay, I hope you have learned about the photosynthesis process. In that process, what happens? The plants will utilize the carbon dioxide and they will excrete what? oxygen. Okay, we human beings, the useful thing is oxygen and waste product is carbon dioxide. Okay, in plants what happens, they will respire. How they will intake the carbon dioxide for the utilization of photosynthesis, and they will remove the oxygen with the help of the stomata. Okay, now what is transpiration? Transpiration is nothing but what? It is a process of removal of water from the stomata. Is called as what? Transpiration. Means removing the excess amount of water from the plant body. Okay, some waste products are stored in the leaves and removed when the leaves dry and fall off. Okay, it is also one kind of removal of a waste product with the help of the leaves. Some waste products are stored in the vacuoles. Some waste products like gums and resins are stored in the old xylem cells. Some waste products are removed through the roots. Okay, in this way what happens, excretion takes place inside the plants also. Okay, I hope you all understood the today's session about the excretory system in the human beings, and the structure of the nephron, how it works inside the kidney, and how the nitrogenous waste is passed throughout the human body. Who has not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe and support and share the videos with your friends related to this chapter. Thank you for watching the video.